We recommend that you synchronize Voyager with the server on a weekly basis to ensure your changes are recorded. If you haven't synchronized with the server recently, Voyager will show a warning message underneath alerts and warnings on the home screen, which will read Sync Update Overdue. Simply click the Send button and a synchronization file is generated. To update the server without being prompted by a warning, open the home screen and click Send Sync Update from the What You Would Like to Do panel on the right-hand side. If your PC has an active email program which supports Messaging Application Programming Interface, MAPI, the synchronization file is sent automatically. If there is not an email program installed and MAPI settings are disabled, Voyager will ask you where you would like to save the synchronization file. Select a folder and then email the file to vpssync@gnsworldwide.com. To enable or disable the MAPI settings in Voyager, click the configuration wheel at the top of the menu bar. Then click Update Settings and either tick or untick the Use Default MAPI settings. Press Save and your changes will be recorded.